Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site on a gorgeous afternoon. As you can see, plenty of stock on our forecourt for you to come and have a look at should you choose to. Failing that, you can go online and have a look. So that's us in the background just there, and then our partners at Blackpool Seat. And on the other side of us we've got Honda Superbike Centre. Over the road, our flagship dealership at Honda. And then right over in the corner, all our service departments, technicians, engineers, valeting teams, body specialists, alloy specialists, all on site and in-house. And today we have got this stunner of a 2021 BMW 1 Series. It's an M135i. XDrive, 2 litre auto, in a stunning solid blue. You've got the 18-inch alloys with the M Sport brake calipers, M Sport logo, rear tinted windows, shark fin aerial, integrated brake light in the back spoiler. You got some piano black detailing at the back, just where the exhausts are. And on this model you get cruise control, the M Sport suspension, launch control, and Bluetooth, sat nav. I'm sure you'll agree it is a very special looking car. Needless to say, it performs really well, as you'd expect. I'm just looking in the boot for you. Nice deep boot, 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can configure that however you want depending on how much space you want. It's that new, and it's got that low mileage on it. It's still got the protective film on there, if you can tell. They've not peeled that off yet. It's that new. So you got dark grey suede upholstery with blue stitching and then blue pattern detailing and cloth. You got 2 USB ports. Again, upholstery carries on with the detailing, and you got the M Sport loop in the headrest. Coming over to the centre console, slightly different layout than normal for a Beamer. And you got your aircon and your climate control, your display screen, centre console. And you got a virtual cockpit, shift paddles, left and right, and then you got your indicators and beam control, cruise control settings, M Sport logo in the middle of the wheel. You got your windscreen wiper settings and your washers, your shift paddle again, and your hands-free and Bluetooth controls, plus your centre console controls. Sorry, your cockpit control, should I say. And then just to the right hand side, a bit lower down, is your headlight settings. So you got auto function, which obviously enables them to come on if it starts to go dark. And you got your 135i door sills on either side. It is a very special car. There's your wing mirrors and windows. You can't really see it in this light, but it does have ambient lighting all the way through it as well, but you'll see that on the pictures if you have a look online. So if there's anything else you'd like to ask us about this particular vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.